How to export Instagram Reels to Edit application. You can try saving the reel from the Instagram application itself. You simply have to launch the Instagram application on your device, then find yourself that exact post or reel that you want to save on your device. Once you find it, tap on the paper plane icon over here. From here, once you open this share button, you will find the download or save the video directly to your device camera roll and photos if it is available. Or what you can also do is simply launch your edits application on your device and open the editing panel by starting a new project. Once you initiate the project and go through all of these editing processes, and once you complete it, you will find the export button on the top right corner. You simply have to tap on this 2K option to select the resolution and also set the frame rate. Now tap on this export option and there we go. You simply have to wait out for some time until the video is downloaded. Now you can share your reel using any of these platforms or simply tap on this download option to download it onto your local storage.